At Milron, we build aluminum truck bodies that are tough enough for the job and smart enough for your workflow. Made from aluminum, Milron truck bodies are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and built to last, so you get maximum payload and fuel efficiency without compromise. Every detail is designed and engineered for productivity. From secure, weather-tight compartments to ergonomic design, we make sure your tools are always protected and always within reach. Whether on construction sites, utility work, or heavy-duty service, Milron delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Milron truck bodies, stronger, lighter, smarter, built for the road ahead.